Hello YouTube and welcome to another episode of Review Maza, and today we are going to discuss that what exactly a solenoid valve is. What is a use of a solenoid valve? So let's get started, friends. So first of all, I like to tell you friends, a solenoid valve is nothing else but just a tap. It is an electronic tap that can be used into any water purifier or any water related equipments where you want to use it, you want to activate it with the help of electronic signals. That means I'll tell you, this is a tap. Just imagine this is connected with my water purifier's water inlet. When I switch on, this is switch off. When I switch it on, the water flow will go straight from this and it will go to my water purifier. So whenever I want to start my water purifier, I'll require to switch on the tap, and when my water is filled, I will require to close the tap like this. So the water should not go waste into the drain. So I require to switch and on and off. So this is the use of a tap. So what will happen if I don't want to do it manually? I don't want to switch on and off every time the water purifier, the supply of water, every time I don't want to switch it on and off manually. I just want that when I press the button of my water purifier to start, the water automatically should get started and automatically the flow should go to my water purifier. So what I'll do, I will replace the tap with a solenoid valve simply like this. Solenoid valve is having push fit connections like this. As a normal push fit, just I have to put it inside and just I have to check the flow. The flow is written at the bottom, or there is an arrow that describes the flow that is in and out. So what I have done, I will give supply. There are no positive negative terminals. You can give anyways. If it is mentioned, if red cable is there and black cable is there, you can give red to the positive terminal and black to the negative terminal, but there is no specific. There are only thing you mentioned the voltage, that is 36 volt or 24 volt. You should give 36 volt supply to 36 volt solenoid valve, and you should give 24 volt supply to 24 volt solenoid valve. So friends, this is very simple. Once you are installed, just lock the system in place with locks, give it the supply. So every time I will switch on the water purifier, the solenoid valve will get charged with the supply and it will just let the water to flow. So it is so simple, friends. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you can use manual tap also. So this is a totally optional thing, but this is better because if sometimes what will happen, if you forget to switch off the tap, the water may get wasted. So it is always better to use a solenoid valve, because if sometimes the electric supply gets cut off and you are not at your home, or if you are using a float valve in your system that detects the water level of the tank and it switch off the entire system. So in that case, what will happen? When the entire system is switched off, the solenoid valve will also get switched off and there will be no further supply of the water, and such the wastage of water will be avoided. So friends, you can use this solenoid valve right right before your pump, or right after your sediment and carbon filter. So there is no place. You can also use before also. There is no such thing. You can use it anywhere. Just you have to use it after the pressure switch. If you are using a pressure switch, you will need to use the solenoid valve after a pressure switch. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my videos, please. I try to make new videos every day, and if you have any questions, suggestions, please do ask. That helps me to make new videos on new topics. Thank you very much friends. Please like and subscribe and have a good day.